Welcome back, friends. So let's see one more important database scenario today. Today's scenario is very simple one and a very important one. Let's see. So let me share my screen. So hope you guys are able to see my screen. So the scenario is like this actually. The scenario input is for a products. The products contain information like product ID, product name, and product price. And there is one more information given in the JSON object, that is discount lookup. Okay. So discount lookup is ID1 and ID2. ID1 0.01, ID2 0.5. Now the logic is, for each product, discount ID is given, and some products there is no discount ID. If you observe, for product 1, ID1 discount price is there. Discount percentage is there. For product 2, discount percentage is there. If there is a discount percentage available in the lookup table, we need to apply that discount percentage, right? So for laptop, see, for a laptop, original price is 1200, but price after discount is 1188. As 0.01 is the discount price, means 12 rupees will be deducted from the original price. Therefore, you are getting, his laptop is getting less 1188. Whereas the shirt is original price is 25 rupees, but for product 2 there is a 0.05, 50% discount is there. Therefore, price of discount is 12.5 rupees. Whereas if you observe ID3 for headphones, there is no discount code available in the discount lookup. Therefore, there is no discount for the headphones. We're getting 100 to 100. Price of the discount also 100. So, how we can derive this one, apply the discount for the prices, right? So, first before starting that, what we do is, I want to write a function. For the function, I pass the product ID and I need to get the discount percentage. Okay, first I will write that logic. Before writing that logic, let me test in the body. How can I can get the discount percentage by passing the product ID, right? So for that, products payload dot discount lookup, and I want to filter based on the ID passed from the function, right, to that lookup. So what I'm doing is, to filter that using a filter object, and key where this ID is there, right? Then what I'm doing is, I'm taking the key contains ID1, means ID2. Key contains the product ID. So key, I'm splitting the key, split by space. So if I do the split by space, what happens? ID and 1, they become 2 array. In array, first item is ID and second item is 1, right? So I'm equalizing the 1 to the, I will pass input as a first product, second product, third product. If I'm passing, for example, I'm passing as a 1. Okay. This is not equal to similar to 1. So ID 1 is equal to 0.01 I am getting. If I pass ID is equal to 2, I'm getting 0.5. If I pass the ID is equal to 3, there is nothing. Because there is no ID available, I'm getting blank 1. So this function, what I'm doing is, let me see if the ID is equal to 1. I want only 0.01. I don't want this entire map like this. So what I'm doing is, on this I'm applying the plug again, and I want value, right? I want only that one, internal one. Therefore, I'm using the 0 index. So that's it. I'm putting this in a execution mode, and 0 index. So I'm getting 0.01, right? If I pass ID is equal to 2, I'm getting 0.5, right? So this logic, I want to create a function. So I'm creating a function. So instead of function, I'm creating a variable discount. Variable discount is equal to, for function, I need to pass the ID, right? I'm passing the input ID. and function body, this is the function body. Here 1, 2 is like this is 2, 1. I'm hard coding instead of hard coding. I'm replacing the ID, right? So let me test this function how it is working. Discount is a function, and if I pass 1, I'm getting 0.01. If I pass 2, I'm getting 0.5. So my function is ready to get the discount based on the ID. Now let's see the logic output. How can generate? In the output, the first item is the discount product, right? So output is a map. I'm opening a map. And the first field is discounted products. Discounted products. And it contains the discounted products. What I'm doing is payload dot products, not discount lookup, payload dot products map. I'm iterating each and every product map. Now there are 3 products are there. I'm getting 3 JSON maps, right? JSON objects. So let me copy the required things over here from this. Now instead of the hard coding ID, what I'm doing is I'm removing this hard coding part and item dot ID. I'm removing the hard coded name also. Item dot name laptop. I'm removing the hard coded price. Item dot price, right? And here I need to call the discount function. Okay. So what I'm doing is first I'm checking null because for third it is null, right? For third item it is null. So if I'm checking null, if okay, for example, directly call the discount function. Let's see before discount of item of ID, right? So now I'm getting the discount. Actually, I'm getting only discount percent, but I want the discount price, right? So for that, what not you do? What the 3 discount is null, right? Third is null. So if I item price is a whole price, item price minus item price into discount. This is the actual formula for that. But as the third part is the null, there is no discount for ID3, we are getting the error, right? It is null. Therefore, what I'm doing is I'm just checking the null check before applying this one. If discount of item dot ID not equal to null, then what I'm doing is I'm applying percentage, I'm applying discount. If it's not equal to null, I can apply the discount, right? In that case, item dot price, right? If it is null, item dot price. Okay. So if it is the null, item price, okay. If it's not null, I need to apply discount, right? Item dot price minus item dot price minus item dot price into discount, right? Discount of item dot ID. See, now if it is a item code exists, then the whole price minus discounted price. So I'm getting like this 1880. This is a formula. Item dot price minus item dot price into discount, right? This discount I'm writing a function. I define a function. So this is the required output. So I'm getting I'm posting the input in the description. Please practice this. Okay. Thank you so much.